think you know the United Kingdom. You might know its history, its cities, its culture, but have you ever met the land itself? Because this is an island with a dramatic story to tell. A story written in ancient rock, shaped by colossal ice, and powered by the relentless sea. Our first stop feels less like geography and more like a force of nature. Here, in the Travel Diaries of McKay channel, the sea doesn't just rise and fall, it charges. The funnel-shaped estuary squeezes the incoming Atlantic tide, creating a wall of water known as the Severn Bore. This phenomenon produces the second-largest tidal range on Earth, a staggering 15-meter difference. And on spring tides, that energy transforms into a single, surfable wave that gallops upstream for miles. From the power of the sea to the roof of the nation. In the Scottish Highlands, Ben Nevis isn't just the highest point, it's the eroded core of an ancient, colossal volcano. What we see today are the remains of a collapsed caldera. Standing on its summit, you're 345 meters above sea level, with the Atlantic Ocean just 10 miles away. And from that summit, we plunge into the depths. Just along the Great Glen, Loch Ness holds a secret beyond its famous monster. Its true marvel is its scale. While its surface seems modest, Loch Ness is a deep, dark trench. It holds an almost unimaginable volume of fresh water, so much that it dwarfs every lake in England and Wales put together. This fractured, complex coastline leads to a geographical puzzle. If you tried to walk the entire edge of the UK, how far would you go? The answer is, it depends. Thanks to the Coastline Paradox, where every bay and every rocky outcrop adds more length, the UK's coastline is a marathon of over 12,000 kilometers. And sometimes that edge is perfectly geometric. In Northern Ireland, the Giant's Causeway looks like it was laid by hand. But this is pure, natural architecture. 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the cooled skin of a massive lava flow from 60 million years ago. But the UK's geography isn't just rock and water, it's also a living, breathing climate regulator. In the far north of Scotland, the flow country is a vast peatland wilderness. This sprawling bog is more than just beautiful. Its layers of peat, up to 8 meters thick, lock away hundreds of millions of tons of carbon. It's a silent, crucial guardian of our climate. Now, let's stand on a line that divides the world. In Greenwich, the prime meridian marks longitude 0. It's the line from which all time zones are calculated. But here is the geographical twist. Modern GPS tells us that the true gravitational meridian actually lies about 100 meters to the east. It's a reminder that even our most fundamental maps are constantly being refined. From that human-drawn line, we travel to a place that feels geographically closer to another world, the Shetland Islands. From here, you are closer to Bergen, Norway, than you are to London, England. At 60 degrees north, these islands share a Nordic soul, where in summer the nights never truly darken. And finally, a record that stands in a league of its own. Not the most famous waterfall, but the tallest. Deep in the Scottish Highlands, Isa Chwal Aluin drops a sheer 200 meters, more than 3 times the height of Niagara. It's not easy to reach, but its raw, vertical plunge is a powerful, final reminder of the untamed, elemental drama that defines the very edges of this map. So, the next time you picture the UK, look beyond the cities. Remember the ancient volcanoes, the hidden depths, the soaring cliffs, and the power of the sea. It's a landscape that's constantly surprising if you know where to look.